We were fortunate to have Comcast NBCUniversal reach out to us to do a digital literacy program for individuals with disabilities. So we piloted it right here with Lucy in Easter Seals Crossroads.
It was hard with started, but he told me it's okay. You don't have to know everything, but I need to learn. I need to have more skills.
So we spent several weeks in classroom instruction on digital literacy to help facilitate the learning process in the job. So there was a lot of opportunities to really take what is already available to us, and because of the digital literacy program, it allowed us to utilize those tools that are there so they could actually be more independent on the job or in their everyday lives.
Definitely true.
Definitely true, Lucy just said.
Same thing as you.